Look at the bottle. That is our brand new Tipsy Bartender Premium Margarita Mix, okay? This is a raspberry margarita. Super simple using our mix. Let me show you how to make it. Rim the glass with lime juice, stick it in coarse salt, okay? We get some raspberries in our mixing glass, and then we're gonna come behind that with simple ingredients, okay? We can muddle. Come behind that with tequila, triple sec, and our new premium margarita mix. Now let me tell you about the margarita mix, guys, okay? I put this together, tasting all the different samples to get the taste right, because I didn't want one of those thick, syrupy margarita mixes that you have at home right now. I wanted something that was revolutionary, something that was smooth. So here's what I want you to do. Get yourself a bottle, and I want you to taste it without tequila by itself and see how smooth this is. This margarita mix is changing the world. And there you have it, raspberry margarita. Okay, go ahead, Bobby. All right?
I'm ready.
You like it? I have to let her swallow first before I ask you. Did you swallow? You swallow? Did you like it?
Yes. It's good.
Don't joke, all right? And guys, guess what? It features our new margarita mix, all right? Natural fruit juices, no high fructose corn syrup, premium margarita mix, okay? It can be in a store near you soon. You wanna know where it is? Go to cocktail-artist.com. Check it out, get a couple bottles, okay, and let's party, all right? Because I have a ton of recipes on the site where we mix this, showing you different recipes that you could do, okay? There is no margarita mix that is as delicious as this one. Sheena, throw me that bottle, okay? Where's that bottle, all right? Oh, right here in front of me. Never mind, okay? I'm not wearing my glasses. I like to drink it. I like to drink it. But y'all see me do this, and I'm not joking, because the thing is delicious. Is it, Bobby?
It is pretty delicious.
I'm not making this up, man. I know y'all.
I like it mixed. He likes it raw. It is what it is.
Anyway! So go get a bottle, okay? And get your mix on. I have a bunch of recipes that you guys could follow along. Super simple, super easy, just like this one. Only a few ingredients. Because they all always complain, you use so many ingredients. Check this out. This is just tequila, triple sec, I gotta read, you know, raspberries, and this, and you good to go. Stay tipsy, my friends. Drink up.